up, squad? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and today we have Jenna. So she's my cousin, and she actually come on the channel already, but it was in a prank. And she have her guards up from that. It's over a year now, and I tried pranking her last week, and it never worked because, trust me, she said I can't catch her again. Anyways, we're not doing a prank today. Today we're actually going to do the drive-through COVID testing in Kingston, Jamaica. So by now you would have already seen when I did it overseas at Walgreens. So now we're going to see what the process is like in Jamaica, if it is similar, and if we actually don't have to come out the car, and everything will be a seamless process, just like oh we just go to Walgreens and drive up. Yeah, so that's where we're heading to right now. The place is up in Ligani, if you know Ligani. Well, Ligani the color. Alright, when I reach the place I'll get the exact name of it, but it's basically like a parking lot because we're not going in any office, and it's right the KFC on Old Hope Road. That's our Hope Road.
I don't know the difference between Old Hope Road and Hope Road. I don't know which one old and which one new. But
it's right across from JC. I will show you guys when I get there. But yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs, and also make sure by now you have joined the giveaway, the grand giveaway. Of course there'll be a credit in this video as well for you to get a chance to win, but make sure you say only join the giveaway. Just get 2 persons to subscribe. As a matter of fact, the more persons you get to subscribe, the better your chances of winning. And trust me, I'm telling you now yet. I forgot to check the calendar, but yeah, una know our. If you know our, una soon our. You go want win. Trust me.
First time here?
Yeah.
I'm going to scan the phone, please.
Scan. Photo.
Photo.
Start.
Can I go behind the black vehicle, please?
Alright.
Check, make sure the email address is correct. Birth is
yeah.
We're gonna submit. One person already?
Yeah.
Someone should come to her.
Alright, thank you. So show them this.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Alright, Lab Squad, so we are just waiting. They're dealing with some other persons, but we've already registered. And one thing to note, they don't accept any cash, so you have to ensure that you have your card to pay by card. So yeah, we're just waiting until it's our turn. Judy, are you nervous?
I find toes, Nala.
It's the first. What are you looking on bag for money? Your first time being swabbed?
Yes, it's my first time, and I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous.
Guys, I've been swabbed about 6-7 times, and it's not a pretty sight, but I don't think they'll do it bad because man, it wasn't bad. Her experience wasn't bad.
So. Lose money now.
Yeah. Alright, what time?
Hi, morning.
Hi, morning.
Oh, the card.
Rapid antigen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Only one person getting tested?
Yes.
Can tap it?
Alright.
Oh,
Thanks. Alright guys, so we paid, card went through, it never declined, praise the Lord. So now we're just waiting on the nurse. Boy, they have a steady flow of traffic because it's about 4 more cars coming since but it's moving quick. I really like it.
yeah.
So we're going to ask them how soon we get back the results and
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Huh?
Who's being tested?
She.
I'm Nurse Warner. You're Judian?
Judy.
Judy.
Judian.
Yes.
Okay. I have you for a rapid antigen test. It will be a nasal swab, but nostrils will be swab, okay?
Okay.
You're going to keep your mask covered in your mouth only for me.
Where did I put the chat? How long it normally takes for us to get the result now?
Within 1 hour time via email.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. That is it. You'll get your results via email within 1 hour time, okay?
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Great day. Keep safe.
You too.
Bye. Why it feel ticklish though? Feel ticklish. Ooh. I'm glad it's over though.
Guys, we did it. It's never bad.
It's never bad. It just feel like a ticklish. You know, typical when the swab going
I try to
in.
go before that truck here.
That wasn't
Yeah.
bad. That was quick and easy.
Yep. So 1 hour time, we'll get the results via email. So guys, really simple process. It only costs currently for antigen, the rapid one, it only costs 4,000 Jamaican dollars, which is really affordable if you compare prices with other locations. You can just check them out. They're also on Instagram MD link. Just look for the drive-through testing page. Yeah,
It's over.
how it feel?
It's alright.
Never bad.
It wasn't bad.
Okay.
And I thought it was going to go further down into my nose.
You want to ever go further down?
To how persons explain it and tell me.
Because it all depends on the doctor.
Doctor. Oh.
Some doctor go down here, so well, some, you know, them satisfied.
Yeah, just right.
It's only one nostril she did?
Both.
Oh, she did both. So quick?
That was quick. Very quick. Very quick.
Yep. When they just started testing overall, them usually do both nose and all your throat, them at the top.
Oh.
But you know, as time goes on and the amount of resources that you have and the amount of testing that you have to be doing. Yep.
Okay.
So
Trust me, I thought the process would be longer.
like the pan green in and them one cross. Go on. Cause me couldn't me. Watch the two of you. Watch the two of them. You want to see them across the road. Like say, I hope God them the guys. I hope God. Anyways, so that was the process. Very simple, very easy. Just make sure say you have your card. Don't bring any cash, because you know them don't want nobody rob them. So I guess that's a smart move why they only accept cards, because it's just like a parking lot as we showed you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Red, you didn't know the things there. Alright guys, bye.